Our next Diedrichson Brothers hands-on tiny house building workshop, Joshua Tree, California. RelaxShacks.com for the details.
This is the very first video of the only two-story tiny home in existence. It opens up from 13'6" to 17'6" and has an overall height of 21 feet when you set up the solar panels on the roof. It is completely self-sufficient, has 12 330-watt solar panels and 6 100-gallon tanks for water storage under the floor. We will be showing a tour of the inside tomorrow in daylight. I just wanted to give everyone a glimpse of the outside just so you can get an idea of what it is. And there you have it, the Pop Top Tiny Home.